Hi everyone, welcome back to Wellness Vibes with Vishakha. I'm Vishakha and today we are going to talk about something that's incredibly important but often overlooked: emotional well being. Emotional well being plays a crucial role in our overall happiness and the quality of life. In this audio, we'll explore what emotional well being is, why it's important, and most importantly, practical strategies you can use to enhance in your own life. What is emotional well being? Emotional well being refers to our ability to understand and manage our emotions effectively. It's about being aware of our feelings, regulating them in healthy ways, and being resilient in the face of challenges. Think of emotional well being as the foundation for a fulfilling life. When we are emotionally healthy, we are better equipped to handle stress, build strong relationships, and pursue our goals with confidence. Understanding emotions. Emotions are complex and multifaceted experiences that influence how we think, feel, and behave. They can range from joy and excitement to sadness and anger. It's important to recognize that all emotions are valid and serve a purpose. However, it's how we respond to our emotions that determines their impact on our well being. Healthy ways of dealing with emotions include acknowledging them, expressing them constructively, and seeking support when needed. Unhealthy coping mechanisms such as suppression or avoidance can lead to long term emotional issues. Practical tips for improving emotional well being. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for enhancing your emotional well being. Practicing mindfulness. Take time each day to be present in the moment, whether through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply paying attention to your surroundings. Number two, prioritize self care. Make self care a non negotiable part of your routine, whether it's getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, or engaging in activities you enjoy. Number three, build a support network. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, whether it's friends, family, or a therapist. Number four, set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy or don't align with your values, and prioritize activities that nourish your soul. Number five, practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by regularly acknowledging and appreciating the good things in your life. Challenging negative thought patterns. Negative thought patterns can significantly impact our emotional well being, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, and low self esteem. It's important to challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with positive and realistic ones. Techniques such as cognitive restructuring and positive affirmations can be helpful in this regard. Building resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and grow stronger in the process. Building resilience is essential for maintaining emotional well being, especially during challenging times. Strategies for building resilience include embracing change, developing problem solving skills, fostering optimism, and seeking support from others. In conclusion, prioritizing your emotional well being is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. By practicing mindfulness, prioritizing self care, challenging negative thought patterns, and building resilience, you can cultivate a happier and a more fulfilling life. Remember, emotional well being is a journey, it's not a destination. Be patient with yourself and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. Together, let's work towards creating a world where everyone can thrive emotionally. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to Wellness Vibes with Vishaka on Spotify for more content on emotional well-being and personal development. Thank you for listening, and until next time, take care.